guys, it's Celia, and today I'll be doing a get ready with me. Every Wednesday, me and my friend go to lunch, and so I wanted to share with you the process because I be trying to get extra cute since I don't go out a ton. So I'm just going to start by covering up my twist. I am going to hop in the shower. I'm going to show you what I'm going to use. So I'm going to use the Pretty as a Peach body wash from Bath & Body Works. Smells so good. Then I'll use the Honey Pot Sensitive Foaming Wash for my lady parts. This is my second bottle and it's almost empty, so I do need to re-up. I'm going to moisturize with the Bath & Body Works Champagne Toast Body Cream. Smells super good as well. And then I'll use the Ancient Cosmetics body butter just along my skin where I have like some dry patches, and of course some deodorant. Gotta smell fresh. So I'm just gonna hop into the shower and then I'll come back and show you guys the rest of the process. Now onto skincare. I have been using some new products, but for today I just wanted to keep it simple, so I'm just going to wash my face with a warm wash towel or wash rag, and then I am going to follow up with some Witch Hazel, and this is from a new brand that I've been trying out from Thayers, and I really like it. It's really lemony and it smells good, and it works so good, and it gets the like remaining dirt that's on my face, and then I'll just moisturize with the Mielle SPF 15 face lotion. This is my ultimate favorite face cream that I've been using for like 3 years, so really good moisturizing. And yeah, now I'm taking my Goddess Curls Divine Hair Elixir and actually applying that to my eyebrows. I like to moisturize them and try to help them with hair growth because I do have some sparse areas, which is why I do fill them in. But yeah, I'm gonna do that. And then last but not least, I'm just gonna put some chapstick on my lips. So this is from EOS. I think this is like peppermint, but I cannot find this for the life of me. I've been trying to get a new one because it's pretty much empty and I'm like scraping out the remainder of it, so I gotta find that. But that's my skincare routine, y'all. Now I'm about to do these brows. So this is not a tutorial, y'all, but I do use the e.l.f. Precise brow pencil in the color neutral brown, and then I'm gonna use my Maybelline Fit Me concealer in number 25 to do my brows. So if you want a brow tutorial, I have a whole bunch of old ones. I'll link one down below. It's always the same exact thing. Sometimes my brows are a little thicker, sometimes they're thinner, but same process. So the brows came out super good, which I was happy about. So I'm gonna take a sip of my orange juice. I did give me some McDonald's breakfast, but yeah, now I'm gonna put my lashes on, just some cheap everyday lashes from Ardell. I do really like the Ardell brand. Like, they're cheap, they're everyday lashes. They like give you enough of something, but they're not too dramatic. So I'm gonna just put my lash glue on and stick those right on. So I do like to go in with some eyeliner just to cover the spaces between like my lashes, if I sometimes there be spaces, and then to cover the white lash glue. After that, I'm gonna apply some highlight. So I like to use this Wet n Wild highlight for my cheekbone and then I put it on my nose, and then I'll be putting it everywhere else too. And then last but not least, y'all, I'm gonna take some of this Maybelline Fit Me Smooth and Dewy foundation and just put it on some of my spots where I have like some dark spots. I don't put this all over my face, just the areas I feel like I need it. So I have 3 ear piercings on each ear and my tragus, so I do like to put 2 smaller ear piercings on the last 2, and then the front one I'll either put a stud, but I'm gonna put hoops in later on in the video. But let's get started with this hair, y'all. So I use Dr. Miracle's Strong and Healthy Natural line. I will have a review coming. It should be up tomorrow. So I use their shampoo, deep conditioner, and then I use their leave-in for this twist out. So I just applied my Goddess Curls Divine Hair Elixir to my hands to reduce frizz, but this is what the twists are looking like. This is what my hair looks like unraveled, and then I did go in and separate my hair curl by curl. I'm not going to show like the entire process because it'll be in the review video for the collection, but I was very happy with how my curls were looking. They were elongated, they were soft, defined, so I knew this was gonna be a cute look. So I did just go in with my Goddess Curls hair pick and picked and fluffed my hair. Then of course gotta go in and do them edges like I said. So right here I cut a little bit of my edges, y'all, my baby hairs, whatever, because some pieces were just too long. So I did that. Then I just swooped it on down with some Eco Style. Real simple. I do 2 swoops and then I do my sideburns. Then I'm gonna put some lip gloss on, my favorite lip gloss, which is the Bath & Body Works Minty lip gloss. And then yeah, I'm gonna give you guys a spin around of the hair and then we're gonna focus on the outfit. So for this outfit, I paired this cropped flannel from Forever 21 with these high-waisted skinny jeans from Fashion Nova, my favorite go-to jeans. Then this white crop top from Target, and then this Coach Tabby 18 purse. I have been wanting this purse for so long, and I finally just went ahead and got it. So I thought this would be a cute outfit to pair it with. And I almost forgot to show you my boots. These are just some black thigh-high boots that I got from Shein, and they fit my skinny legs, so that is so good. I'll have a haul from Shein and Fashion Nova coming soon. But now accessories, you cannot complete a look without accessories. And all my accessories, y'all, my favorite ones are from my boyfriend. So that butterfly necklace that I always wear, that people always ask about. These hoop earrings, which hoops just complete the look, and then this cute Pandora charm bracelet with all these cute little charms on it. I really want to get some more, but yeah, I'm gonna put that on, and then we're gonna get into the fragrance. So in my recent fragrance collection video, I said I wasn't sure if I was going to keep this Bacarrat 540, but obviously I did, and I chose to wear it on this day. But I also put my Coco Mademoiselle on top because I cannot get enough of this stuff. It's so good, and you got to get it. It's like my #1 right now. But yeah, I looked cute. I felt cute. So I'm going to just show you guys what I look like in the mirror so you guys can see the outfit on me. This is what it came out to look like, and I thought it was super duper cute. I did also pair my Gucci belt, just, I don't know, just to add a little something extra. But yeah, this is the look.
Put your hands on me, but I feel like chemistry. So I'll give you a try, and if you do me right, then boy, you know you got me. If you get it right the first time, then you know.
So now I am going to be ending the video, you guys. So I got all ready. I went ahead, got in my car, drove to the restaurant. We went to this taco place. So right here you'll see my friend Rashida, and she actually did a get ready with me too, so I will link her video down below. But we just had girl talk like we usually do, laughing, talking about girl stuff, and then I'm gonna just show you guys what I ordered some yummy nachos and of course a Long Island. Gotta get a drink. But let me know if you guys enjoyed this video. If you would like to see more of these type of videos, I would love to know. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, y'all, and I'll see you in my next one.